In this video, I'm going to show you a 100% free method on how you can build a massive email list for your online business. I'm also going to show you how to clean and verify your email leads so you get the best results in terms of deliverability and engagement. So let's begin and take a look at how you can build a massive email list for free. The first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store and install this extension called Simple Auto Scroll. Next, we want to install a second extension called Email Extractor. The third step is to jump over to this website called Playboard. Playboard basically gives you a ton of data on different YouTube channels, including the business email addresses associated with those channels. So once we're at Playboard, we want to go ahead and search for a keyword. So let's say make money online. And Playboard will pull up all of the channels in the make money online niche. There are a ton of filters that you can play around with to get the exact channels that you want to find. But for now, I'm going to leave this as it is. Now, whenever you scroll through this page, the email extractor extension is going to pick up all the email addresses from the channels that you find on this page. So we can see right here, it has already picked up on 16 email addresses. Now, instead of doing this manually, let's click on the auto scroll extension, customize our settings and hit go. And this extension is going to make it super easy and fast to scroll through this entire page. And in just about 3 minutes, we already collected over 200 email addresses. So let's take a look at those email addresses right now. So let's click here. And then we can just scroll down and take a look at the email addresses that we have collected. And when we're ready to download these email addresses, we can use either of these options. So we can copy all of these email addresses, or we can download them to a text file or to a CSV file. In this case, I'm gonna download them to a CSV file. I'm gonna hit save. Then I wanna open this file to take a look at the leads that I've just downloaded. And here we have the email list that we just created using this simple, free, fast, and effective method. You can go ahead and clean your list, upload these leads to your email autoresponder, and begin mailing. Now, in this next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to clean and verify your email leads for better deliverability and engagement. So let's get started. So the first step is to search for this website called MailFloss. And we want to scroll down and make sure that we click on this link right here. So MailFloss is a tool that allows us to automatically remove invalid email addresses before they become a problem. And that means it stops your emails from bouncing or ending up in the spam folders or becoming restricted or blacklisted. Now you can sign up for free. It gives you a 7-day free trial, and it also comes with a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the service. But in my experience, it's very accurate. I think it has a 99.9% accuracy rate, so it's a really great platform and it's very affordable. So you want to go ahead and register if you haven't already by clicking here, or start your free trial. But if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And here inside my account, you can see that I've done quite a bit of cleaning this year, or flossing as they call it. So I've cleaned almost 25,000 leads so far this year. And as I said, it's very affordable. So once you sign up for free, you'll also get some free credits that you can start testing this method out with. You can also purchase prepaid credits that you can get started with right away. Now, one of the first things you want to do when you jump into your account is click on the payment and plan section. And you can go ahead and choose one of the subscription plans, or you can buy some prepaid credits, but you're going to first want to add your credit card. So you can go ahead and click add payment method and add a credit card or a PayPal account that you want to use. I've already added my card right here, so I'm good to go. From there, you want to go to the subscription plans, or you want to buy prepaid credits. I prefer to buy the prepaid credits because I don't use that much and I don't use them on a monthly basis. So this one is good for me. I like to purchase the 10,000 credits, and I like to purchase 1 or 2 when I do. And this gives me more than enough credits to clean all the leads that I'm bringing in on a monthly basis. Now, once you've added your payment method, it's time to go ahead and upload your email list to begin cleaning. So you can click right here that says upload, and then you can choose the upload option that you want. So for me, I'm gonna choose upload a CSV file. And I'm going to upload the file that I did in my previous video on how to build an email list. So let me go ahead and upload that list right now. So it will be this one right here. And MailFloss will just ask you to confirm the email column. So I'm going to click confirm. And then again, I'm going to confirm right here. And I'm going to ensure that the deep clean is on. And and I'm going to click yes, I'm sure. So then the cleaning or flossing process will begin, and once it's done, they're going to notify us by email, or you can just come back and refresh our page and we will see the clean list. So we're at 100% and it's going to take a few more minutes to complete, and then we can see all of the valid emails that we have, and we can go ahead and import those into our autoresponder and begin to send out our emails. Okay, so MailFloss has gone through all of the email addresses and they have cleaned all the invalid email addresses out. So when we jump over to our dashboard, this is how it will look. So let's just scroll down and we can see all of the leads right here. So what we want to do is export all valid emails. So let's click on this option right here and let's click here to download the file. And it will ask you where you want to download the file. So just choose a folder. I'm going to choose my desktop. And then let me go ahead and save that. And let's open the file to see what it looks like. Okay, so this is our clean email leads. And really the email column is the only one that is important for this file. So we can go ahead and delete the rest of this. And then we can import this column into our autoresponder. So that's the full method on how to build a massive email list, then clean and verify your leads. Now it's up to you to go ahead and take action. Start building your list, then clean and verify your leads and start using them in your business. My name is Theron Mitchell. It was a pleasure making this content for you. If you found value in it, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified of my next video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.